In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot CRM and Zapier. We'll start on the Zapier homepage. Click Create, then choose Zaps. A Zap is an automated workflow made of a trigger and an action. It listens for something that happens in one app and then performs a task in another. Open the Trigger section and, for this walkthrough, select Google Sheets. Choose your trigger event. The trigger is the event that starts your automation. I'll pick New Worksheet so the Zap runs whenever a new tab is added to a spreadsheet. Select your Google account. Choosing the correct account matters because Zapier will only see the files available to that account. If prompted, sign in and grant access to your spreadsheets and drive so Zapier can detect the trigger. Click the right account when the chooser opens, then continue to confirm the connection. With the trigger set, define the action. The action is what Zapier will do after the trigger fires. Select HubSpot to connect your Google Sheets event to your CRM. Now choose an action event. This determines precisely what HubSpot will perform. In this example, select Create Line Item so each new worksheet results in a new line item in HubSpot. Click Account and pick the correct HubSpot portal. Using the right account ensures data lands in the right environment, especially if you manage multiple portals. Choose Account. Check the authorization box and connect the app. Click Continue to proceed. Configure the action fields. Start by selecting a product ID. If your HubSpot has multiple products, choose the one that matches what you want added to the line item so reporting and associations are accurate. You can map additional optional fields here as needed to enrich the line item. Click Continue. For speed, we'll click Skip Test in this example, but in practice it's best to run a test to validate your field mapping. Try to publish the Zap. If any required fields are missing, Zapier won't let you publish, and will show a prompt like, "Please set up the required fields." Click that message to jump back to the missing configuration. Here, select the spreadsheet for the Google Sheets trigger, so Zapier knows exactly where to listen. Click Continue. Run Test Trigger to pull in a sample, then choose Continue with selected record so Zapier understands the data format. With the trigger validated and the action configured, click Publish to turn the Zap on. Your integration is now live. When a new worksheet is added in your selected Google Sheets file, Zapier will create a corresponding line item in HubSpot using the product you chose. If anything seems off, revisit the fields or account selections, test again, and then republish. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.